Welcome to Sony Vegas tutorial, and let me just load up Sony Vegas. Greetings, Sony Vegas 9. Yeah. There you go. I'll just hit yes for a second. Yep. And we'll just load up a new one. Yep. For load up a new one, first you gotta go through the project properties. These are the settings that I use for, because I mostly edit for videos and I record for at this rate. Should be at that rate. And yep, these are basically, and by clicking this you can like keep the project settings, so it's a good idea just to click it and keep it. Anyway, I have it. So yep, to drag media you can either go that way, then you can just click on it and drag it down, basically have it, or you can just go on from your Internet Explorer and just go and just drag it out. You can like create new layers by doing that, or just going either video, audio. You can just delete layers by just clicking on them and hitting delete, or just going there. Okay, basics. First of all, when you get a video, and like in this video I had this top console bit and I don't want that. So one method you can do is you can just slowly skip to the place where the console goes. You can use the arrow keys to move your slider so you can get the exact place, and you can hit S on the keyboard, then it splits up. Then you can just delete it by highlighting this and hitting on delete, or you can just drag it up to the players and just hit delete. Let's delete file. And if this is the starting clip, it's probably a good idea to set the fader so it fades out rather than static beginning. So fading always looks good. Just drag it as much as you want to get a cool effect. And also video effects. There are a lot of video effects in this program. That's why I think that's why the program is so popular and good, I reckon. Anyway, we'll get that later. We'll get to video effects in a later tutorial. Okay, the next thing I want to show you is video pan crop. This is basically a zooming tool, I like to say. Just holding these 4 arrows, you can just like zoom in, invert it even, and you can even rotate it. And if you want like adjust it, like if you can just restore better there by deselecting these two. This will be like that. If you like want to get just a strip of it and just like want to do like cool stuff, yeah. Just have these two snapped on. They're pretty useful. Keyframing. Keyframing is basically adding a keyframe, so at that point it'll be what the video was looking before, like effects and all that shit. And you can add another keyframe there. That's a default one. And in the middle you can do like something you can see, just like that. And if you play back, you should see the effect. And the reason for adding this keyframe is bringing the edited bit back to its original place. If you don't have this keyframe, this will happen. It'll just keep on it, which kind of looks good. I just figured that out. Anyway, uh, you can copy keyframes by selecting them, holding down your control key and dragging them. You can select multiple keyframes by clicking on one, holding down control, clicking on another. And if you want to copy all of them, you can just go like that. So just double up, like that. And to delete keyframes, just hit on one, delete. If you want to delete everything, just drag your cursor like that, select everything and just hit delete. Everything's gone. It's back to normal. Oh yeah, the other one's adding a song or audio footage. Oh god, no, you wouldn't call it footage, would you? Anyway, let's find us a song. Just drag. This is same as entering, like putting a video, but yeah, just drag it in here. It'll create a new track. Put the bugs and we just play it. It looks good. Yeah. And for audio also you can use the fading. I really recommend to use fading in most of your videos because it makes simple things look better. Yeah, that's how great. And you can use the volume slider. You can use the master volume slider wherever it's gone. There it is. Yeah, that's the master volume. But you can use this to differentiate volume within different audio levels. Like if I just split that up, put there. If I have that like there, and players make a mess, but this will be a lot louder. You know what I mean? Okay, another thing is to split events, like break up, like just like what I did. Just click on the place where you want to end. Like let's say this is the end of the movie. Just click on this. Just press S basically. Pressing S while nothing's selected will split anything on that line. Like if you have the video like that and nothing selected and press S, to split that and that. But if it's like that, whoops. Okay, if it's like that and you just want to split the audio, what you do is you click on the audio, then click, make sure this is selected, then you can just press S and just deal with it. And what I believe another key important thing when editing is flags. Just simply hit M to put a flag. You can use this to like identify where things are. I don't know, I just use it a lot. It's really handy. Just to give it a try. I will post a tutorial on more on how to use flags and splits and how to crazy shit on this. Yeah. Text, the next basic thing. You can get text from here. You can like transparent text, blah blah, that. But I don't really go into media generators because it's kind of annoying. Just kidding. Yeah, normally I just go right click and you get insert text media, and you can go like whatever size you want, whatever font you want, basic stuff. Yep, just like that. You can see it there. You can and placement. This is a good tool. You can just place it anywhere you want. I don't know, just like the way the placement is Sony because they're not the softwares. Properties. This is where you color your text. Then you can do something with the background, but I wouldn't really do it because it will take out the foreground or the game footage, I would like to call. In this you can do some pretty good stuff. You can just flip back and let's do tracking. You put the tracking slide. Tracking's basically, you see what it means, like when I do that, it's basically spacing with your letters, and yeah, keep it like that and just go all the way there. Skip it, put it in the middle, and bam, here you go. Alright, that looks pretty good. Yep, that's it for this video, and I'll be posting more. Stay tuned.